Hey everyone, need to find your Alinma account number but not sure how? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this quick video, I will show you the easy steps to locate your account number. First, go to your Alinma app which you can find in your Play Store or Apple Play. Now you can select your language here. They will ask you for location. Now you need to log into your Alinma account, or if you don't have account, you can register here. Click on open and registration on Alinma account. As you can see, they have some requirements such as be 15 years and over, have a valid national ID or ICAMA ID, have a national address, or be registered for national address at Saudi Post. So basically, to open an Alinma account, you need national ID or ICAMA number and a Saudi phone number. After logging into your account, you can see top screen your current account number here already, or else you can click on account details and then click on current account. Here you will find your account number and IBAN number both together. And in this way, you can find your Alinma account number. Thanks for watching.